Good day everyone. What we'll be doing today is actually just creating a home folder for the user accounts. In this case, what we'll be doing is using the Active Directory, right, and Silver 2019, which should be up already. But before we get to that, let's actually create that folder. So we would want to go to File Explorer. One tip when you're doing this whole process, you would actually want to be logged in as your administrator, right? You want to head over directly to your local C drive, and from here what we want to do is create new folder, and we go type in home folder, right? Yes, all right, so there's the home folder. You want to go directly to properties, sharing, and go over to advanced sharing. You want to share this folder, and here will be the share name. Now you could actually hide the share name and make it a hidden share by adding the $sign. Right? You could put comments pertaining to the share as well, but we're not going to do that. So we're going to click on apply. Okay, so you could head over to permissions here, and from here we have everyone. You could click on full control. Right, and this actually, because at the moment they would have had the read only, right? You want to press OK, apply, OK, apply, OK, and we want to actually give some file permissions, right? So we can head over to security. Alright, so you want to head over to advanced, and here you would have a list of control file specifications, so that, for instance, our system has full control. You would see that the users actually have read and execute, and they are assigned special read and execute permissions. What we want to do is first disable inheritance, right? Click on convert so that the inheritance is moved, and from here we would actually just want to remove a couple things. So for this instance, we want to remove this. We have here with the special. Alright, that's a special, so, and that's under John.user, so we just remove that. We want to remove that read and execute as well. Alright, click on apply, OK. Alright, so we'd actually want to go directly to the sharing tab. In the sharing tab, you have the home folder created. You want to copy this part. Right, and you want to select close, and what you want to do actually is go directly to Active Directory users and computers, tools, there you go. Right, so once within the Active Directory domain here, we could actually go into users and computers. In this instance, based on the tutorial before, you would see that we created John Doe as a Roman profile and Carla Joseph. Right, so we want to go to the John Doe profile first, select properties, you want to go straight to profile, and there's our profile part that we had before. However, what we want to do is connect a home folder. So we head over to connect, we choose the drive letter in which we want, in this case Z, and we paste the profile part that we previously copied. And in this case, we want to go to slash, all right, slash percentile username, and again go to percentile to close off, hit enter, and let's see if that actually changed. Right, so you go straight to the home folder. Let's make sure John D, there's the user. Alright, press OK. You want to go to column, do the same thing, properties, profile, connect to C, same part, and then you go straight to click on OK, properties, profile, double check and ensure that the profile part is there and username is printed, Carla J, good. Right, so now that's completed, what we want to do is go straight to the File Explorer. In this case, we could go to C drive, home folder, and there you go. There's two created profiles, or Roman profiles there. This is Carla J and John D. Right, what we want to do now to actually test if it's actually set up the correct way is to log off. Well, we're going to switch our OSs, so I'm going to go directly to my Windows 10 duplicate. Alright, within the Windows 10 duplicate now, I'm going to log in, so I'm going to go to, right, and we're logging in with the same Roman profile ID, either the Carla or the John. Right, so in this case, let me just minimize the right, so we're logged in here. Right, so we're gonna go directly to our this PC. Right, so this is our C drive, which we usually use, and here you're actually seeing a home folder setup. So this is where the user could go in and actually create subfolders, files, content, and store. Right, so we're gonna go into here and we're gonna go test this by creating either a regular folder, honestly not folder, and let's just create a regular file. So there you go with the text document, text. Alright, and let's test this to see if it's working correctly. So here within the roaming profile, that is a part of our domain, we have the folder and text. It's in our shared profile and shared home folder, right? So you go here, come off over here, and if I am to actually go back to my duplicate, right, which is my server duplicate, I will be able to access home folder, go over to John D, and there you go. There's the same files, text and folder. Right? So this concludes the presentation on setting up the home folder using the Active Directory domain and users and computers, right? Server 2019. Thank you for watching.